So guys, these are the prize. Hi guys, I'm going to Dreamland, Amlan, and this is sponsored by Tito Bitoy, and I hope he sponsors for Jollibee too. We're filling up the car, adventure, and my Tito Bitoy is right over there. So guys, we are now here. And we're going to eat because we haven't eaten yet for breakfast. Tito Bitoy, what's the name of the store? Binario. Hi. So guys, chicken. Hi guys, now we are here at Dreamland. I'm really excited, and also we can see a lot of animals like my Tito Miller over there. So let's go inside. So guys, they also have souvenirs for your keychains, cute magnets. Okay guys, let's go now. Dreamland Nature and Adventure Park.
Reticulated python mga panatong. Pwede ta na hikapon niya, kagakaroon di po na siya pwede kay busog. Nahikap ta na siya pag. Hindi magano siya pwede kay hapit na po mag-chin skin.
Sige.
Agresibo mo gani sila pag maghatid na mag-chin skin. Reticulated python mga.
We will go to see some birds.
Dari ma'am kapatay ka din pisan or
Saan ito tawag? Kukuruk. Kukuruk? Oh, that's so colorful. So cute! Look at the little mohawk. Aggressive ni sila. This is the peacock. Those are like two peacocks. They're boys actually. And the woman right over there is a peahen.
Buklad lang one time.
Patrak
be.
No. Guys, look at that. Oh. It's so detailed.
Nagwapahan niya.
Lalaki man na, mang. Niya guwapo.
Kaya kita na ako ni Buskan.
Lovebirds can make wonderful pets, but they tend to be more aggressive. They have tons of personality, and they can be extremely affectionate with the people they bond with. Did you hear the sound of the pig? Camels can survive up to 15 days without water. The humps are used to store fat that convert to energy when needed. A peacock together with the horses. Those are miniature horses from Australia. Dreamland Nature and Adventure Park is located 25 kilometers from Dumaguete City. It is just a 30-minute ride. The pandemic have been giving crisis, not only to us humans, but also to these animals. I am showing my support to these animals through visiting and respecting them. This is Ninintot English Sharang Bisaya saying, let us follow the health protocols because we children are future of the world.
Audio